everybody, my name is Patrick, and I'm going to give you a very brief history of Node at HomeAway. The tagline for this talk is why Node is right for us and why it's also probably right for you too. You can win a prize during this talk. If you can come to me after and name every pop culture / meme reference in this, I will give you a prize. There's quite a few. All right, little bit of history about HomeAway. HomeAway operates in the vacation rental space, and way back in 2005, that was a super fragmented industry. So we decided that we would buy a bunch of companies and consolidate it a bit. The goal here is that if we operate all these companies, we could unify that experience, make a better product for everyone. So we bought all these companies. Fast forward to 2008. What do we need to do? Build a platform. It's 2008. What do you build a platform on? Java. All right, that took a few years. All right, 2013. We've got our platform. Everything's unified. Everything's on the same level playing field. Great. Product's OK. What do we do next? Well, we start to optimize the user experience, and we do that with client-side JavaScript, right? So we got pull-in, require, grunt, bower, backbone. We're feeling pretty good about ourselves. It's 2013. This is hot shit. All right, fast forward a little bit more, present day. We've got our platform. We've got our hot shit JavaScript, but something's still missing here, right? Node.js. All right, so why do we choose Node.js? Number one, JavaScript client and server. There's friction if you force your JavaScript developers to work on the server in some other language. Two, I think fighter jets are awesome. I don't know if you all like fighter jets. Fighter pilots do this really cool thing called observe, orient, decide, and act. This is what allows you to not fly your multi-million-dollar airplane into, say, a mountain. Software developers do something very similar. It's called build, measure, learn. And Node is awesome at making build and measure faster. If you make build and measure faster, you make better products for your customers, and your company is wildly successful. So that's reason number two. Three, you've seen this slide before. Node has by far the best open source ecosystem. We totally can use all this stuff and not have to write it ourselves. That's great. Four, waiting really, really sucks. So we've got async IO, Node. Why wait? Why would any language force you to wait on an async call? Makes no sense. Five, horizontal scaling. Node is really, really good at nice, small, isolated pieces of code that scale horizontally very nicely. Six, last but most definitely not least, jobs. Some of the smartest engineers in the world want to work on Node, and if we don't let them use Node, they don't come work for us. So all you fine people in the room, now you can come work for us because we use Node. And don't just take my word for it. These are the job trends from Indeed. This is the growth percentage of Node jobs. So you all definitely made the right choice. All right, so we've got this plan. We know Node is the right thing for us. How are we going to get there? First, we are going to double down on inner source. Why reinvent something that someone has already done? Go ahead and perfect it. And a huge part of that is also contributing back to open source. And eventually, we very much hope to open source our own modules. That hot technology stack from 2013 is going to get a bit of a refresh. Bower is out in favor of NPM. We're bringing in Happy.js, Webpack in favor of Require, and ES6 via Babel. There's a bunch of other stuff we're going to be using, but we all know this is JavaScript, so this is going to change, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here. How are we going to deploy this stuff? Well, all of our Node apps are Dockerized. They deploy out to Mesos on Amazon, and we've got this shiny new CDN tool called Fastly. Now, you might get the sense from this talk that I'm somehow anti-Java or I want to take Node and replace everything Java with it. And that's really what I don't see this Node movement about or JavaScript. What I really want is for HomeAway to become a polyglot company. There's a lot of great Java out there today at HomeAway. And it's great for a lot of things. JavaScript and Node is also great for a lot of things. And so really this is about becoming polyglot and being able to use the right tool for the right job. We're also using Scala. I'm sure we'll find something else in the future. But we don't want to be just a Java shop. So 2017 is going to be epic. Thank you very much.